Hey, dance.
Lately I've been having crazy thoughts. Yeah, the way I'm living, shit get crazy dark. Tell me lately why we barely talk. Hey, you know I'm trying to change, but it's very hard. Life's been getting to me, I just started smoking squares. But they ain't getting in my circle, though we still prepared. I'm still dealing with some demons that ain't really there. Grew up a screw up, pierced my hair, dyed my fucking hair. In 7th grade, I didn't have a bed, I had to share. The fuck you think I go so hard